Okay, so I just read about this cool thing called GitMCP that can totally change how we interact with GitHub projects.
Oh, really? What's so special about it?
It's like this remote model context protocol server that turns any GitHub project into a documentation hub. How wild is that?
Wait, so it makes documentation accessible in real time for AI assistance?
Exactly. It helps eliminate those frustrating code hallucinations that can happen with AI models.
No way. So it basically allows the AI to pull the latest docs and code straight from the repo.
Yes, and there are two server types, one for specific repositories and one for more generic access.
That sounds super flexible. How do they even manage that?
So for a specific repository, you'd use something like gitmcp.io/owner/repo. It keeps everything focused.
And what about the generic version? How does that work?
Great question. The generic one is simply gitmcp.io/docs, which lets the AI choose the project dynamically.
Oh, wow. That opens up so many possibilities for accessing documentation on the fly.
Right? It's like having a personal assistant that's always updated with the latest info.
And no setup is required? That's a game changer.
Totally. Just plug in the URL and you're good to go. No downloads or installations.
Gotcha. What kind of tools can the AI assistants use with GitMCP?
They have tools for fetching documentation, searching code, or even getting content from external links.
That sounds super powerful. I can imagine how much time it saves developers.
Absolutely. Imagine asking an AI, how do I use this API? And it pulls the exact documentation needed.
Exactly. I mean, it's like an instant reference guide without digging through files.
And it really reduces those AI-generated incorrect code snippets, which is such a huge win.
That's actually kind of scary, but in a good way if it makes our lives easier.
Right? But hold on, it gets better. GitMCP even supports all public GitHub repos without modifications.
Wait, for real? So every open source project can utilize this tech?
Yep. And developers can even self-host it if they want to.
That's incredible. And it's completely free too?
Yep. No costs involved, and it's open source. It's all about community support.
I love that. It feels like a big step forward for collaboration in coding.
For sure. Plus, they're really serious about privacy too. They don't store personal data.
That's such a relief. You want to know your tools are respecting user privacy.
Exactly. It only accesses public GitHub content when queried, nothing more.
Man, this is blowing my mind. I never thought tech could become this seamless.
I know, right? This could change the whole landscape for developers working with AI.
So if everyone starts using this, wouldn't that standardize how we access documentation?
Absolutely. It could lead to a more consistent and streamlined coding experience.
This makes me think about the future of development and how AI could collaborate better.
Oh, and what about the implications for learning? Newer developers could ramp up way faster.
Totally. Imagine how empowered they'd feel having that instant support.
So if we put all this together, GitMCP isn't just a tool, it's a pivotal shift.
Exactly. It pushes AI interaction closer to how we actually work.
And who knows, this could redefine how we view open source collaboration in general.
It's thrilling to think about. I can't wait to see where this technology goes.
So what's the biggest takeaway here? Is it the reduction of hallucinations or the instant access?
I think it's a mix of both. It's about smarter tools facilitating our learning and coding.
And fostering a community that can benefit from shared knowledge in real time.
Definitely. That's a future worth aiming for. Let's see how it evolves.